Bullish FTX token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $101.50 and $221.05 by 2030. Market experts accept FTT could reach $101.50 by 2025. Bearish FTX token market cost expectation for 2022 is $18.04. FTX token presentation. Experts from Money Road and significant tech firms like Google, Facebook, Jane Road, Optiver, and Susquehanna make up the center gathering behind the FTX stage. The modelers of the FTT token, with an abundance of involvement with monetary stock subsidiaries, desire to outperform OKEX, the top crypto gauge trade in the blockchain space. Sam Bankman-Broiled, the executive of FTX, Gary Wang, and Nishant Singh helped to establish the commercial center. The gathering started creating FTX, a trade by brokers, for merchants, in the wake of laying out a Lambda Exploration, a digital money quant exchanging firm and liquidity supplier. SBF accepted the crypto market coming up short on refined exchanging system for multifaceted items. SBF and FTX are both domiciled in Hong Kong, a city that upholds digital currency. The liberal pioneer gives 1% of FTX's net exchanging expenses to good cause and previously filled in as a legal administrator at the Middle for Successful Philanthropy. SBF is a notable player in the cryptographic money industry with more than 290 Kelvin supporters on Twitter. What is FTX token? The exchange token for the FTX environments is called FTX token, and it could be utilized as guarantee for prospects' positions, to get refunds on OTC exchanges, to bring down exchanging expenses. And that's only the tip of the iceberg. Collateralized tokens, OTC exchanging, and Fates exchanging are undeniably presented by the FTX exchanging stage, which tries to turn into the main crypto trade commercial center in the blockchain business. FTX token specialized examination. The effect of amount requested on changes in normal cost, turnover, and suggested unpredictability is analyzed utilizing specialized examination apparatuses. It works under the assumption that, when joined with appropriate financial planning or managing rules, authentic exchanging action and cost increments of safety can act as important indicators of future security costs. It can incredibly upgrade the evaluation of a security's solidarity or shortcoming contrasted with the general market or one of its areas. It is every now and again used to produce transient exchanging signals utilizing different graphing instruments. Investigators can refine their general worth gauge by utilizing this data. Signs of digital currency in view of specialized examination. A few line diagrams and outline examples can be utilized to do specialized evaluations of computerized monetary forms, utilizing the vital pointers recorded beneath. Anyone with any interest at all in specialized examination can look at the greatest cost, market cap, normal value, the most elevated esteem, FTX cost figure, FTX token cost expectations, or some other data connected with the header cost estimate, normal directional file. Assign areas of strength for of that checks a pattern's power and energy is the typical directional list, contingent upon the course of the typical value. The pattern is remembered to have critical directional strength when the ADX is well over 40. The stochastic pointer. The stochastic offers examiners a one-of-a-kind method for distinguishing cost variances by working out the distance between the ongoing map book esteem and the most profound low over the past X time frame. Then, this length is parted by the hole between the least cost and the greatest expense during a similar time span. An intensive comprehension of planning, money, and wares is vital for a far-reaching structure like essential investigation. Directing basic appraisals, for specific, requires grasping fundamental troubles, experience with valuation techniques, and the ability to assess monetary information. Moreover, it habitually makes expectations in view of freely accessible information, such an organization's verifiable benefits and further developed seriousness. FTX token current cost. FTX token is as of now worth $22.55 USD. FTT has moved 0.49% as of now with an exchanging volume of $31,025,177. FTX token is as of now position 24 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,007,457,469 USD. FTX token value forecast 2022. FTX token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The FTT cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $33.82. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $31.56 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. FTT is supposed to have a base worth of $27.06. FTX token value expectation 2023. In 2023, FTX token FTT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of FTT will before long outperform $56.37. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the FTT's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, FTT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $45.09 and a typical exchanging cost of $49.60. FTX token value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $78.91 and FTT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. FTT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $72.15 and a low of $67.64 in 2024. FTX token value forecast 2025. In the event that FTX token effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the FTT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FTT will be green in 2025. The FTT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $101.46, with a base cost of $90.18 and a typical cost of $94.69. FTX token value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the FTT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $117.24 by 2026, with a base cost of $112.73 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, FTT has a most extreme value worth of $124. FTX token value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $139.79. In the event that FTT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $146.55. Neglecting to assemble the help FTT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $135.28. FTX token value forecast 2028. While FTT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $157.82 and a yearly cost close above $169.10 in 2028. FTX token value expectation 2029. By 2029, FTX token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $180.37 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $191.64.